Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today's video, okay, this is a big deal. I think this is the biggest video I ever done in my entire YouTube career. So excited about this because today we are going to do, you ready? We are not just any Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is the 12-day advent calendar from Louis Vuitton. And Louis Vuitton did not make this, I made this myself. So I can't wait to show you what I'm putting in there. There are 12 amazing pieces in there, they're all brand new. And this is so awesome, and let's get started. I've been preparing this for months, I swear. It's not like happened overnight, you know. But I'm just so excited about this. Definitely let me know, do you like this type of video? Because if you do, I will do that every year, once a year. Okay, so let me just actually do it this way. So everybody hold please. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit so you can see the entire box, entire calendar. Is this a perfect? Absolutely not. It's my first time making this my own, and I think it can be better, but I think I do the best I can, and I hope that you're gonna really like it. So let me just kind of open this now. Let's look at the day number 1. Yay! Drum roll. Okay. So I'm gonna open this up. Day number 1. Oh my god! Let's see what's this. So the day number 1, it is the Louis Vuitton Bendo, and this is the holiday collections. I'm gonna become close to show you guys this. I don't know if you guys know this, the Louis Vuitton Bendo is a multi-purpose. You can use for as a dress accessory. You can do whatever you want to do. And what I like is two-tone. So meaning that you can have a 2 different purpose and 2 use. And look at the back side here. The monogram, blue monogram with the flower base here. Very, very pretty. What do you think? So this is one of the first item. So I'm going to put this very nicely on a table here. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Now let's go to day 2. Day 2. This is so cool. Day 2 is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. It's the holiday collections. Oh my god, look at this. This is so hard to find. And me and Rich found, actually I found both pieces in Texas. One in Dallas, one in Houston. So look at how cute is this. And it's made in France, so you can see that. Did anybody also collect mini pochette? I mean, this is so cute. You know, when you buy 2 of this, or the other pochette, you can make your own multi-pochette, I think that's what we call. So you can do whatever you want to do. So adorable. Okay, so this is the day 2. Let's open day 3. It's all the way in the bottom box. Let's pull this out. Ah, just like advent calendar. Did you ever guys buy an advent calendar and you open everything? There's always one item was kind of like really you put that in there. So this is actually not a purchase item. It is the Louis Vuitton fragrance samples, and this is one of my SA gave it to me I think a couple months ago, and I never used this. It smells so good, so I decided to put it in right here. You gotta give it to me. I'm very smart, right? Try to find a way to save money. Otherwise, just advent calendar will be so ridiculous expensive. I did have a budget. I don't want to go over that. Okay, let's go on day 4 right now. So this is number 4 right here. Let's see, can I get this? I really don't want to show you guys what's behind the box because look at this. It's so sad. I put tissue behind there. I gotta show you. So this is number 4. This is the large item. What is this? What could this be? It is the Louis Vuitton strap. It's the olive color strap with the gold handle. Okay, so for those of you who know me, you probably know what is this for, but this is one of the piece right here. Ah, number 5 is right over here. Let's open this one right now. So what is this? I honestly forgot what is this. Oh my god, I remember what is this now. Oh my god, my little backward fall off. Okay. This is the day number 5. It is another holiday piece from Louis Vuitton. It's a coin purse. Oh my god, this is so cute. So there's the information here. Let's go for day number 6. Day number 6 is this one right here. Let me see, can I get this out without tearing this apart? Oh, I know what is this now. It's a small leather goods. Oh yes, this is the gift that Jenny, Miso Jenny gave it to me. It is the blue monogram. It's a limited collection and it's also made in France. This is really great piece right here. If you want to buy your loved one for a Christmas gift from Louis Vuitton, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a great piece. It's about under 500-ish. Depends on the design that you purchase, but this will last him forever. So this is really great piece. Let's do number 7. Oop. I just realized something. If I do this, everything gonna fall down. So I'm gonna lay this down for 1 second. Okay. I know what is this now. You ready to see it? Day number 7. It is the Louis Vuitton pochette. So this is the standard pochette. Has a gold chain, removable chain. Is it? Yes, you can remove the chain right here. And let me show you guys here. So because I bought this a while back, so I already purchased the insert from Samorga. I believe that's the company I use. Any bag I have, I put insert in there so it protect the inside, and I like that. So this is the pochette. Obviously, if I had more money than God, I would just buy like big item, but I have to be careful the money that I have, you know, be smart about this. So, but I'm pretty happy for what I have spent so far. So day number 8, it is the ta-da! It is a Louis Vuitton key pouch. This thing here, you know, it is so hard to find. It's like virtually impossible. I almost feel like, you know, all this Louis Vuitton small leather goods, especially something like this, they are not crazy expensive, but it's like so hard to find. Look at this. This is so cute. I think a couple of years ago I gave away for a gift, but I never kept one for myself. So I'm pretty excited about this. You ready? Day number 9. Ta-da! It's a Louis Vuitton key pouch. It's the what do you call it? There's a name for this. Dual side monogram. I think large monogram on this side, and then the mini monogram on this side. So you probably figured this out here. If you look at what I have, there's one piece actually and put it together as one big piece. I thought I was very smart doing this. Come on, open up. Oh, I know what this is now. Then number 10 is another bundle. And this one is actually a smaller size. Let me get close to show you guys that. So this is like all this pastel trunk in the color of a pink, light blue. It's all the Louis Vuitton trunk here. And look at the back, it's reversible. There's all the soft pink, kind of like a cherry blossom pink colors. So if you look at this one and this one I just opened out, it's totally 2 different sizes. So this one can really be good use for wrap around a small bag handle, and this can be used a bigger one if you want to. So it depends what you want for what you want to use this for. Okay, so day number 10. Oh my god, it's almost finished now. Day 11. Day 11. Let's open this baby up. Oh, I totally remember this now. Day 11 is double box because you get another box. You guys know this. Sometimes you buy Avon calendar, like especially for cosmetics. Sometimes they give you very stupid stuff, I swear. So, but this is small but powerful item. Let me show you guys. I found this with Rich Lux when we were in Houston in the Galleria Mall. This is the Louis Vuitton mini calendar. It is so cute. Let me show you guys closer here. So it's a Vivian in here. So every day that you open this, you know, you can write stuff in here. But what's really cool is they have the different print of Vivians. See that? So let me show you guys here. Let me show you another one. So I think every month Vivian's doing something different thing that relate to the month. Look at that. But I have to say, this is quite expensive because to me, this is more like a collectible item because you're not gonna write this, I swear. And the two of this, you can get a bundle basically, pretty much like that. But this is one of the day number 11. Okay, so very, very cute. Definitely leave a comment below, let me know which item do you like the most. I would love to hear that from you. And now let's open the last box, day number 12. So I need to lay this down again because somebody didn't design this smart. Oh, something big. Yes, something bigger size. So let's open this up. Ta-da! It's the large pochette. So this is the day number 12. So did you get it? Let me show you guys here right now before I reveal my smart genius idea. So this is everything I got for 12-day advent calendar. And I thought I was very smart, very, very smart. I give myself credit for that. Because when I started have this idea, I have a budget that I don't want to go over because it can be very dangerous overspending money. And I feel like this is the time that I think we all need to be careful of spending. I know, right, Steve? Good job. So I actually took a one piece and break it to 4 different boxes. And so that is the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. So there's a large pochette right here, the medium pochette, and there's a strap, and there's also a coin purse. So this is actually one piece from Louis Vuitton. I'll link the picture right here, you can see it. So I break it apart to 4 different compartments. So this way, I can get more bigger pieces in here rather than just all small items. So I thought it was very smart. And now I see this, I can actually make this to this because, wait, can I do that? Oh my god, I can make it like a triple pochette, I guess. This is so amazing. Okay, stay focused, Steve. So again, I just want to say, I feel like, if you want something in your life and if you can get it, make it yourself. Why not? Life's too short. And follow your dream, dream big. Recently, I get a lot of people post on my social media say, oh, I can never afford this. This never happened to me. I just live through you or see other blogger buying stuff. Let me tell you guys, I didn't born with money. At one point in my life, my family lost every penny. We have no money. And we just have to work very hard, have a very clear vision and passions, and have a clear goal and create a strategy step by step to achieve what you want in your life. Don't just give up. I mean, nobody's gonna pity you when you just give up. Yeah, I do believe that if you try hard enough, things will happen. It may not be overnight, but in time they will be, so please don't give up. I know this is a very tough time right now. It doesn't matter you have money, you have no money, you have a job, you have no job, you have issues, whatever. We're all suffering some kind of stress and anxiety right now. And the best part is, not the best part, the most important part is you gotta take care of yourself first. Once you take care of yourself and you're strong, both physical, your mind, everything that as a person, and when you get better, then you can help people around you. I will always say that. So please take care of you just during this holiday. I know it's gonna be so weird and so hard for many people, but hang in there, this will pass. And will we go back to the way it is again? No, we won't, but that's just with our life. When we evolve, we get better, embrace the changes, right? So hang in there, you can do it. And definitely follow my Instagram, Healthy Journey with Steve Jen. On that particular Instagram account, we'll really focus on mindsets. How you're gonna get yourself better starting here and then followed by your body. Alright, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my Advent video today. This is so exciting. 12-day Advent calendar from Louis Vuitton. Once again, they didn't make this. I made this myself. Can this be better? Absolutely. Absolutely. So I promise you that if you like this video, if I get enough to like and view and comments, next year I'm going to do a better one. By next year I should have a system so they can help me do this better than myself. Alright, so once again, thank you so much. Happy holiday, everybody. I have a lot more video coming out. I will be averaging 2 videos a week right now. There'll be more giveaway coming on my channel. So stay tuned, alright? I love you all and happy holiday, everyone. Bye.